If you ever wondered how to boot your ASUS ROG laptop from a bootable USB drive, you are in the right place. Whether you are installing a new operating system, troubleshooting or running a live USB, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step. So let's dive right in. Before we get started, make sure you have a bootable USB drive with the operating system you want to use. Insert the bootable USB drive into one of the available USB ports on your ASUS laptop. For best performance, use a USB 3 port if available. Also make sure the USB drive is connected to the laptop directly and not through a USB hub. Next, power on your laptop. As soon as the ASUS logo appears, start pressing the F2 key repeatedly. This will take you to the BIOS setup screen. Great, you are in the BIOS. Here, look for the boot priority section. You'll see a list of devices your laptop can boot from. You should see your USB drive listed here. If the USB drive is not detected, double check that it's properly formatted as bootable using tools like Rufus or Balena Etcher. We need to make our USB drive the first boot option. Just drag and drop it to the very top of the list. This tells your laptop to check the USB drive first for a bootable operating system. Now, for some operating systems, we need to disable Secure Boot. For that, switch to Advanced mode. Navigate to the Security tab. Look for Secure Boot and select it. Then disable it. This is required to boot from USB drives containing unsigned operating systems or custom bootloaders. We are almost there. Now we need to save our changes and exit the BIOS. You can do this by pressing the F10 key or clicking the Save and Exit button. Your laptop will now restart. If everything went correctly, your laptop should now boot from your USB drive, and it might go directly to the operating system's installation screen. From here, you can follow the on-screen instructions to install your operating system, run diagnostics, or whatever else you need to do. And that's it. You have successfully booted your ASUS ROG laptop from a USB drive.